Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This video, we're going to go over the film button right here at the front of your H-16 and when it tends to stick. Now, obviously I've removed the Bolex from the inside of this case right now due to an overhaul. You've been frequenting my channel, and but at times there's a common problem that this button will stick. So to take a look at it on the inside, it is spring loaded, as you can see by my finger right here. I'm holding it up. And on the inside, this is what it looks like right here. So just like that, it just springs in and out. That's it. But it will stick because there's some of the old lubricants here, and then again on the camera that is in a way unrelated to the button. However, whenever you buy one of these online, it's going to need a CLA no matter how bad you don't want it to, because they've been sitting in granddad's closet for decades and they've collected in the camera all the old lubricants, dust, dirt, tiny film particles, things of that nature. So if you look down here, you can see all the old lubricants and dirt down in there. There you are, right inside of there. At my pencil eraser. Now, if you look up on the underside of the button, you'll see some of this too, right up under there. So, we're going to have to remove this button. From here is what we're going to have to do, and give it a good cleaning. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I'm going to loosen this bolt up right here. And it just takes just a touch generally. It can be frozen on here. There we go. Just a little bit. And I'll just spin it off right there. Okay, so that's off. Just like so. And out comes that part right there. Put that in the egg tray. And now, this piece right here, just take your finger and push forward. And there you are. Just pops straight out. So now we got that out of the way, what you want to do, press it back, and you want to clean with alcohol, rubbing alcohol up under the button, and of course down inside of it, in here. This button was, of course, made to be taken apart, but take my word for it, it's more trouble than it's worth on the average. You don't want to really do that. I wouldn't suggest it. This is because there's a little pin up at the top of here, and it's held in the spring by a washer at the tip, if you can see that. And this can be removed. There's a special tool to remove this, and really it just takes too much of an effort to get in there and do it. When you have these parts, as you can see, it's a basic function. We're just going to clean this shaft right here and the spring with some rubbing alcohol. Clean the back of this. You can see the dirt there, corrosion, and the rest of it. So I would suggest, just don't take it apart. It's really not worth it. Okay, so I'm just going to start going around the perimeter inside of here. And as you can see, the culprit is showing its ugly face. And that's the old lubricants and all the old dust being out in the elements. So cleaning that off and using rubbing alcohol, applying it to here, and that's how we'll keep doing it all the way around. I'll continue this and you can see the results going on. Very simple process. Another thing is you're going to have around the perimeter of here a bunch of gunk, and you want to use, of course, your toothpicks. Those of you who know my channel know I use a lot of toothpicks, and as you can see, there you go. Around the corners, it's going to clean all that stuff out. Alright. Okay, so there you can see I've finished cleaning the button all the way around inside of there and up inside on the underneath with just the Q-tips, toothpicks, and rubbing alcohol. And I've gotten around here, the back. There's a little tiny bit of surface rust starting, but it's not a big issue. And we've gotten back here again, of course. Also, what I'm going to be dealing with next is on this case right here. You see this old glue and some corrosion and stuff like that. We'll start getting into that very, very soon, but that is for another video. Definitely. So keep posted for another video on a continued subject of this case. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for rubber Bolex eye cups, parts, lens adapters. Email me at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com, and do click that bell and subscribe. Until next time, see ya!